Hey, I'm Derek from PhiBer, and we're down here in Australia. I want to show you some of the new stuff we got going on here. We've got a new location in Moama, and we're putting together the dash trailer, which you may have seen online before, but yeah, I thought I'd take a quick moment just to show you some of the things that we're doing. So we've partnered with Beavertail. They're the ones providing the trailers for us, and TTI on the tanks. So good Australian-made trailers and tanks, and high quality. They're integrated so that these tanks are they're sump tanks built right onto the trailer. You don't have to have the subframe. They custom built the trailer for us, so provide more value, complete clean out, that kind of a thing. And there's lots of ways you can configure these trailers. There's actually a couple million ways you can configure a dash trailer down here in Australia. So you have your base unit. This is a Dash 4 that's on this trailer. 4 different products, up to 285 liters per inductor. And then we got lots of different options with mixing dry, bulk products, how to handle bulk products, whether or pallets in the cage, barrels underneath in the cargo nets, ways of sucking up. We have air diaphragm pumps that can suck up into your inductors so that you can pre-measure, get your next load all ready. So what we're after is extremely fast fill times. We're talking like 3 to 5 minutes for these big sprayers. And that's sending all the different chemicals that you need to do. So super fast, keep that sprayer spraying. We're adding a lot of increased capacity, but it's all about convenience and being quick. So your booms and how to handle it, water manifolds, stairs, like just there's lighting kits, so you can go at night, and these inductors will actually glow in the dark. So there's all kinds of different kits, and you can check it out on our website at phiber.com.au. You can actually build your own trailer, see what it looks like. Live pricing right there on the website, so check that out, and thanks for listening.